Hello, welcome to the Nose Dose channel. Today I'm going to tell you about my Tom Ford fragrances. I have Fleur De Portofino Acqua and it is still unpacked. And also I have two travel versions, Tobacco Vanilla and Soleil Blanc that I recently bought in Sephora. I don't know what happened to me, but I bought Fleur De Portofino Acqua by accident. I thought I was buying Mandarino di Amalfi. When I added this fragrance to the cart, I didn't realize that it was wrong bottle. They are both in blue bottles, and this how this fragrance came to me. I'm almost always buy fragrances that I'm already familiar with, and for some unknown reason I decided not to turn it back, and I hope I won't be disappointed. According to the pyramid, this fragrance is supposed to be citrusy like Mandarino di Amalfi, but it brings together an aggressive bouquet of flowers like acacia, orange blossom, magnolia, jasmine and Moroccan rose. So now I will find out how good it is. I'll have to wait for a while. Well, it really is a white floral fragrance. A very striking and aggressive start. It is a very genuine floral scent, honeyed and very sweet. The citruses that should be at the start are almost absent. They are overpowered by Floral Blanc. The brightest flower is acacia. It really smells like it's just been plucked from a tree. I was afraid that a fragrance with such set of flowers would show a strong animalicity, but thank God it doesn't. I suspect that this fragrance will start aggressively and will disappear very fast. At the end of the video, I will tell you if there is any changes in persistence. Really, if I were a bee, I would be in ecstasy. In my hometown, acacia blooms in May, so this is a spring fragrance for me. The fragrance is good, but unfortunately not in my taste. I will give it a try and maybe in winter it will sound better. The next is Soleil Blanc. It is a sunscreen fragrance. For me, the most vibrant notes in it are coconut, tuberose, ylang-ylang and pink pepper. I have an anosmia for nut notes, but here I can feel pistachios, but very faintly. For me, this fragrance is salty, creamy and expensive. When I smell it, I imagine the feeling of sunburn on my skin, burning from salt and prickly beach sand. It stays on my skin for about 5 hours. I like it so much that I will definitely buy a full-size bottle. Tobacco Vanilla. I think perfume fans are definitely familiar with this fragrance. I like it because of the spicy tobacco. It is very dry and warm fragrance. It is sweet, but it's quite masculine. And I don't feel vanilla in it. But instead of vanilla, I can smell already sugared honey and the dark chocolate. It is cozy, and because of this, I associate it with the cold weather, but I can wear it in any season. It is a very long-lasting fragrance. My friend says that she can feel it even after the shower, and this characteristic speaks for itself. And here I have the same situation like with Soleil Blanc. I will definitely repeat it. And let's get back to Fleur De Portofino Acqua. I was right that it is not persistent. The fragrance becomes watercolored and transparent, and it will disappear soon. It will stay with you less than 30 minutes. And if you like it, you will have to take it with you everywhere in your bag. And thank you if you watched this video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts about these fragrances below. Have a nice day. Bye!